Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to fix touchpad not working or cursor not showing on Windows. So there are some ways you can fix that. The main fix you can follow, that is, you have to, as your cursor might not be working, so you have to tap on the Windows key on your keyboard. So once you click on that, this will arrive, and here you have to tap on or click on or press the TOUCH touchpad settings, and once it arrives, tap on enter or press enter on your keyboard, and then this will arrive. So if you're using Windows 11, there might be an option of enabling or disabling your touchpad. So if it is disabled, so please enable it from here, and your touchpad will work. And if you want to change the sensitivity of your mouse or touchpad, you can change it by pressing your keyboard up and down arrow, like low sensitivity, medium sensitivity, high sensitivity, most sensitive. So I'm just keeping it medium. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. I hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.